Hello, I am Shreyas Ghosh, teaching history. This is the second part of the lesson from class 12 standard. It is socio-economic differences in Harappan civilization, and in second part I will discuss the strategies followed by the archaeologists to trace socio-economic differences in Harappan civilizations. I have already stated there is a big problem when you study Harappan civilization. The problem is its writing and script not yet deciphered. So, when we trace socio-economic differences in Harappan civilization, we have to adopt certain strategies. And one strategy I have already discussed, that is the study of burials. And second strategy, the archaeologists look for luxuries. After excavations, when objects were procured, after collection of the objects, the archaeologists, they classify the objects broadly into two categories: ordinary or utilitarian and luxurious. Now, which objects are ordinary objects? Which objects are luxurious objects? The first, the ordinary objects. Ordinary objects are usually made of ordinary raw materials found from the locality and made by ordinary people. Number one. Second, ordinary objects are very simple and plain, no decoration. Third, ordinary objects are objects of daily use, like that of utensils we use every day. And lastly, ordinary objects are available throughout the settlements, in all settlements, throughout the civilizations. These are available. So these are the four criteria to find out which objects are to be regarded as ordinary objects. Number one, again I am repeating, these are made of ordinary raw materials available in the locality, like stone, woods, clay, etc. Second strategies, the ordinary objects are objects of daily use, like utensils, available almost in all houses, rich and poor. Third one, ordinary objects are very plain and simple, no decoration, and ordinary objects are found throughout the settlements. These objects, and obviously, sorry I forgot to say, ordinary objects are undoubtedly cheaper and very simple. So these are the four features of ordinary object. Artifacts made from ordinary objects like stone, clay, etc. These are the articles of daily use. Third, these artifacts are simple and plain. And fourth, the artifacts found all over the settlements. These are the ordinary objects. Then the object which are luxurious, that I will take up in my next video. So I explained so far how to trace objects which may be called ordinary objects. Thank you.